We've been on a hunt for a completely free way to create lip-synced, faceless YouTube videos, and while we've tried many softwares in this channel, they always limit us in video duration, and it's often a trial. I finally found a method that actually works and is effective for creating long-form content. In this tutorial, I'll show you, step by step, how to create a full-length YouTube video using only free tools. That includes generating your character, then animating them. The third step is syncing their lips quickly to your voice, editing and exporting your final video, all without paying a single cent. The result, a fully AI-generated avatar like the one you're seeing right now. This video will be a little longer than usual because I won't skip the details. I try to keep my videos at 5 minutes max, but many of you end up asking questions in the comments about specific steps. So this time, I'll walk you through every single part clearly. All the links and tools mentioned will be in the description box below, so you can follow along. Let's dive right in. Our first step is creating the main image, your character. I already have one from a previous video, but if you're starting fresh, I highly recommend using Nano. It's one of the best image generation platforms for this because it allows you to edit parts of your image, like clothes or background, without changing your character's overall identity. To see how we created this character, watch this tutorial here. I'll take our character and change her dress to a darker tone. I'll paste a color hex code in Nano and ask it to change her blouse to that color. A few seconds later, we have our new image. Simple, consistent, and ready for animation. Now, although this image is in landscape mode, it doesn't fit the recommended YouTube aspect ratio. We need to make sure the image fits YouTube's aspect ratio, 16:9 for widescreen content. To do this, head over to Canva, create a new 16:9 design. I'll simply search for YouTube thumbnail and start designing. The banner won't download unless you add some designs to it. Simply click on elements on the left menu here and add any element to your design. Download that banner. If the element you added is a pro element, opt for a watermarked copy. Next, let's return to Nano. Upload both the banner and your character image. I'll instruct Nano to match the character's dimensions to the 16:9 format of the banner. This is the end result. Same character, but on a 16:9 aspect ratio. That's it. Now your image is YouTube ready. If you plan to post to Instagram or TikTok later, you can also create a 9:16 vertical version as well. I'll create that and also change the background to green. This will make it easier to remove later using the chroma key. The quality of your images determines the quality of your final video. To make sure your visuals stay crisp, we'll upscale our image using Image Upscaler. Go to their site, I'll link it below, and upload your image. Choose to upscale by 200% or 400 and click on Upscale. This will enhance the resolution without losing detail. Perfect for professional-looking YouTube videos. Now comes the fun part, bringing your character to life. Head over to LM Arena AI, a platform we've covered before. This time, instead of generic animation, we'll use a prompt that makes your character talk naturally. You don't want to simply animate the character, you want it to talk. LM Arena is the only free site that gives us this feature for free. The prompt I used was, "She is talking with natural hand gestures and facial expressions and says, put whatever you want your character to say in quotation marks, then generate the video." To access your videos, head to direct messages in the top left corner here. As you can see, you have all your generations in one place. To access your generations, click on See Your Videos right here. This saves you from having to scroll the timeline searching for your generations.
86% of our viewers are not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button. We are so close to hitting the 500 subscriber mark.
LM Arena gives you this for free, and the result already looks dynamic. Next, we'll import the clip into CapCut, removing the LM Arena logo at the end. After cutting out the logo, download the video. Now for the crucial part, we'll make this animation seamless. Upload the video to a frame extraction tool. The extraction tool of choice is elevenlabs. Simply upload your video. Using this wheel here, rotate it until you get to the end of the video. Click on the camera icon right here to capture a photo. This is our photo on the left corner here. Click on it and download. Save that frame. This will be your new reference image for the next video. What this does is it ensures that the ending frame of one video is the starting frame of the next. If the image you obtain at the end is a bit low in quality, you can enhance its quality again by using the same upscaler. Another option is to upload the image to Nano and simply ask it to upscale the image. Head back to LM Arena, upload that frame, and use the same prompt, but change what your character says.
I put a lot of effort and hard work into creating these videos for you guys, and your feedback, therefore, is very valuable to us.
Repeat this 4 to 5 times until you have multiple short clips. We need a continuous video that is at least 30 seconds long. Combine them in CapCut, mute them all, and stitch them together. If I play the ending of clip 1 and beginning of clip 2, you'll notice that it looks like one continuous natural video. Now it's time for the voice. If you prefer using your own voice, record it directly in your editor. But if you'd rather use AI, go to 11labs. They offer 10,000 free character generations each month. I had previously recommended Acool, but most of you commented that you had issues with the site. 11labs is my go-to voice generator. I do use a paid plan, but like I said, you get free credits every month. Paste your script, choose your preferred voice style, and generate. Save your audio. We'll use it in the next step. This step ties everything together. Head over to dreamface. Upload your compiled muted video on here. On the left here, we'll upload our generated audio. Click generate and wait. In a few moments, you'll have a fully lip-synced video. Natural, smooth, and expressive. The entire talking portion of this video was done using dreamface, and you can see how realistic it looks. Easily comparable to paid tools like VO. Dreamface gives you 10 free 30-second generations per day, which equals about 5 minutes of video daily. Perfect for long-form creators. Now I need to insist on this. Your videos need to be of a character actually talking. I have tried this before with simply an animated character and it doesn't work. You end up with videos that have a lot of issues with mouth movements, so keep that in mind. Since we are using the free version of Dreamface, our video will have a watermark. To remove it, go to Magic Eraser, click here to upload our video, highlight the logo using the cursor. I'll highlight both the Dreamface logo and the Gemini logo here. Click on Remove over here. It removes watermarks cleanly without blurring or cropping, leaving you with a professional-looking video at zero cost. If you want to make short-form content, you can use the vertical version of your character we generated earlier. You'll follow the same procedure and animate it by using LM Arena. Import it into your editor. Again, I'm using CapCut. Click on Remove Background over here. Under it, you can see this chroma key option. Select the green background and increase the intensity until it disappears. From image creation in Nano Banana to animation in LM Arena, lip syncing in Dreamface, and editing in CapCut, this workflow gives you professional results without spending $1. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Comment below and let me know which tool surprised you the most. Until next time, keep creating.